Spiders, often misunderstood, always fascinating. These eight-legged creatures are tiny marvels of nature. They are found in every corner of the world, from our gardens to the deepest jungles. Spiders play a vital role in our ecosystem. They are not just creepy crawlies, they are essential for maintaining ecological balance. They are nature's pest control. Spiders are often feared, however, their role in controlling insect populations is crucial, but they are more friend than foe. They help us by keeping insect populations in check. Imagine a world without spiders. It would be overrun with pests. Without spiders, our world would be overrun. Their presence ensures a delicate balance. These tiny architects of nature weave intricate webs that are both beautiful and functional. So, next time you see a spider, remember its importance. These eight-legged wonders are true marvels of the natural world, deserving of our respect and admiration. Spider webs are marvels of engineering. They are intricate traps spun from silk. This silk is incredibly strong. It is even stronger than steel, weight for weight. Each web is a testament to the spider's skill. Different spiders build different webs. Some are orb-shaped, others funnel-shaped. Some webs are sticky, others are not. The design depends on the spider's hunting style. It's a perfect example of form following function. Spiders are masters of patience. They can wait for hours, even days, for their prey. Once trapped, the spider makes its move. This strategy requires incredible discipline. It's a lesson we can all learn from. Imagine building a web and waiting. It might take a long time for a meal to arrive, but the spider doesn't give up. This perseverance is truly remarkable. It reminds us to stay focused on our goals. Section 4. A world of spiders, diversity and ingenuity. There are over 48,000 species of spiders. These incredible creatures can be found in nearly every corner of the world, from dense rainforests to arid deserts, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Each species has unique characteristics and adaptations. Some have developed extraordinary hunting techniques, while others have perfected the art of camouflage to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Some spiders are brightly colored, while others are camouflaged. Some are large, others tiny. This diversity is a testament to their evolutionary success and the myriad ways they have adapted to survive. The jumping spider doesn't even build a web. Instead, it relies on its keen eyesight and agility to hunt. It stalks its prey and pounces with incredible speed. This method of hunting is both efficient and fascinating to observe. The wolf spider is a dedicated mother, carrying her young on her back. This unique behavior ensures the survival of her offspring in the wild. Each spider's story is a testament to the power of evolution. Their diverse adaptations and behaviors highlight the incredible ingenuity of nature. Section 5. Spinning lessons, applying spider wisdom. What can we learn from these eight-legged creatures? Spiders, often misunderstood and feared, hold a treasure trove of wisdom in their delicate webs. Spiders teach us about patience, perseverance, and the power of planning. Each strand of their web is meticulously placed, showcasing their incredible attention to detail. They show us that even small creatures can achieve great things. Despite their size, spiders create structures that are both functional and beautiful. Next time you see a spider web, take a moment to appreciate its beauty. Notice the intricate patterns and the way it glistens in the sunlight. Remember the spider's dedication and skill. Each web is a testament to their hard work and resilience. Let it inspire you to spin your own web of success. Just like the spider, you can create something remarkable with patience and effort. Remember, even small creatures can achieve great things. Embrace the spider's wisdom and let it guide you in your own endeavors.